I'm going to be working on the personal website in this stream again. So we have 5 tasks for today that I want to finish. The first one is, let me just read it to you. Create a component called UnstyledLink. This component will behave like React router link and have no link styles. This is a task slash tech devs item because we are using the same this style. I've duplicated this style in 2 of my components. I haven't been able to find the component for UnstyledLink. Maybe there is one, but I haven't been able to find it, so I'm gonna make one, which doesn't necessarily mean you should do the same. You should totally go and search more, but I can do it. I'm gonna do it. And then we can get rid of blog item.module.sas probably by doing that, and we're gonna get rid of some code duplication. Most of the items, well, almost all of the items that I'm gonna work on today are tech debt items. So I always want to I want to make sure the project stays as clean as possible, because as the project gets bigger and bigger, it gets more and more difficult to maintain, and the tech debt items just introduce complexity and code duplication, and it accumulates, and after a point it becomes unmanageable, and then you ditch the project and start something new. I don't want that to happen again. Well, it didn't really happen before. I'm just migrating to React now. But anyway, it's always good to follow good coding rules, styles. Anyway, so let's get started with this component. This component is going to be a utility component. So I'm going to create a new directory here called util, and under here I'm going to create, well, I can just copy the simplest one, right? So yeah, this is fairly simple. So I'm just going to copy this, paste it under the util folder. I'm just going to call it UnstyledLink. And let's go to the blog post item, because that's where we use the link, right? Okay, blog post item, where are you? Navigator experience, animations. That should be somewhere, right? This is the master branch. Yeah, I should be in the right place. Yeah, there it is. Okay, it was just there. Anyway, cool. I'm going to copy this, and let's open them side by side. I'm going to paste it in here, and we're going to have a class name in here, possibly. No, actually not. No. Okay, this is going to be called UnstyledLink, and it will have a property called to, and it will also have a property called class name in case I want to add something later. Here, class name is going to be null. To is going to be a string, and it will be required because a link without a to doesn't really make sense, right? Okay, copy this, paste there, and also there. This doesn't exist. Yeah, we have to define the class property of this. So class name, prop types dot string, cool. No decoration. So we're gonna, instead of calling this file blog item.module.sas, because we're gonna use the same thing anyway, we're gonna rename this to not blog item, but UnstyledLink.module.sas. Cool. Yeah, that's it. Let me see. So this is going to be 2. This is going to be class name. Oh, actually, no. here and here. This is going to be class name and no declaration, but we're going to add these. Well, this is going to be a string, so we're going to add these in here, get rid of that. Cool, cool, cool. And oh, actually, how do you pass children to something? I think you just do this and do that. This is it, right? Right, okay. Now let's see where we have used this. So if you search for no decoration, it's in project card. So instead of having it in here, we can probably do UnstyledLink and then get rid of no decoration in here and get rid of this one as well. And it's going to do absolutely the same thing. We don't need to import this anymore. It makes it cleaner. So we can remove this from here. And if we go to blog item, we don't need no decoration in here as well. We can get rid of this. We can get rid of that one. And we're going to replace this with UnstyledLink. We don't need this anymore. Cool. I think that might work. Well, no, it did not work. So how do you how do you add children to an element? So I remember doing it somewhere. I think this was it. No. This? No. I must be missing something else because that's how I did it before, if I remember correctly. I'm probably missing something very obvious in here. Oh, this is not right. No, that's a link. That's right. That's right. That is right. So blog item. Okay, let's check the console first because it might be just throwing errors that I haven't noticed. No, it's not throwing errors. That means there's a mistake on my side. That's the blog item. Let's go to project card. No, project card. Yeah, here. Okay, we have this children in here, and we're passing all of these to here. Oh, maybe, okay. Children. Was there a property called children? Yeah, this is it. This is it. I think this was it. So if you have children in here, and then instead of this, you do that. Go to the next line and do children. This could work. Yeah, that's it. This argument is just called children. I wonder if you name it children free, whatever that is. Yeah, it's gonna break. It's a React resort word, so children gets specified by okay. Children prop types dot string, and it's not required. Children can be null. Okay, this is the first one. Yeah, cool. And this seems to work as well. Very nice. That's done. Next one. Widthpicker.sas should go under the util folder. That's an easy one. So I have this SAS file in here, which is basically a util file. It doesn't really determine any properties. It is a mixin declaration. So the way I use it is, let's go to one of the SAS files. So instead of doing at media 768 pixels, whatever, that super long thing, you do this. Screen small. This means if the screen size is small, apply this style. It's super convenient. It's very clean. I love it. But this doesn't really belong in here because it doesn't declare any styles. I can move it to under utils folder. Some things are going to break for sure. Okay, so I have to find where it was used before. So let's search the project for width picker. So instead of this, we're going to do utils width picker. Maybe not. What else do we have in here? Okay, one more. Utils. Yeah, that's it. Let's search for the other one. Well, we can just copy this. Search for the other one. Go there. Paste it in. Check again. Okay, it's back. This is fine. That's done as well. What's the next thing? Modularize and refactor the footer component, make it more customizable. All right, that's not very easy because the footer component, it's very custom. It's super custom for our use case. Oh, I should do a commit. Git commit created UnstyledLink component. And what else did I do? What was the other one? Width picker moved. Cool. Modularize and refactor the footer component. Let's go to the footer component. Let's close all. This one as well. Right. Where is it? Footer. There. So footer right now, everything is hard-coded. These links should not be here. Ideally, it should be receiving a content like this, and this content should be a JSON file, right? So let's find out where this is used. This is used in home.jsx, like this, and this doesn't have a JSON file, right? Okay, let's go ahead and create a JSON file for this one. So copy this, paste it in. Let's call this footer. Cool. Close this, open this vertically. Let's go there, here. Okay, so what do we have in here? Develop, well, not the name, but let's call it the title. What else do we have? Link, text. We have a link. We have Twitter link. We have Facebook link. We have LinkedIn link. Link. LinkedIn link. We have GitHub link. We have Instagram link. Duplicate this. What else do we have? Email link. Cool. Well, the title's right. Link text is wrong. So you're going to copy this, paste it in here. We're going to copy this, paste that in there. Twitter link, that goes here. Facebook link, that goes there. LinkedIn link here, GitHub here, Instagram there, social media icon, media, sorry, email, it goes there. Okay, now we have to find a way to, oh, and the date. Okay. Well, the image should be coming from somewhere else, right? Where is that image? And it's an SVG file, so that's the difficult part. Okay. How do we even import? I'm going to create a task for that. I'm not going to do it today. Actually, you know what? I can do it now because it's just been 16 minutes and it's not that difficult. Let me handle it now. The SVG image will be coming from a property file as well. Let me just remember how I did this because I've done this in here, right? I just give it a, no, not that one. Blog post, yeah, image link. And the images are under the data folder. Data, where are you? There, images. Perfect, right? So I'm gonna put the image in here. Yeah, it's already there. So I can just give it as a property, which is okay, which is fine. Yeah, it's okay for now. We have two SVGs, but yeah, that's okay. For now. But actually, I can fix the signature one as well, right? No, I can fix the hamburger one as well. Oof, difficult. Yes, I can fix it. Actually, no. It's not. It's. I'm not going to touch it for now, just for two images. Actually, that doesn't make sense to implement all of that logic for just two images. It just makes everything more complicated. And I don't want to do overkill solutions for simple things. So let's go to the home page where this is used. Here, this is not the home page. And duplicate this. We're going to call this footer. Let's just put everything in here now. This is content.link text. Yes. This is content.link. These are all the links. This is the content.twitter. Come on. Link. Is that right? Twitter link. Yeah, I should be right. I'll test them all again. This is content dot Facebook link. GitHub link. So I'm just doing this because I do not want to keep hard-coded strings in my components. It's never a good idea to hard-code stuff in your code. So I have a resources file, content.date. Okay, this could work. Let's try. Oh, the server is not running, right? Okay. Let's. Oof, that's bad. That was a fast. Ugh. That was a good fail. Okay, let me see if I'm passing the right thing. Content is going to be footer. Footer is a JSON file. Yeah, I'm passing the right thing. Maybe I'm just passing it wrong. Maybe I forgot the parentheses in here, the curly brackets in here as well, right? I should pass these things. Yeah, so if you go back now, everything is fine again. So let me open all of these links. Okay, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, all in order, GitHub, Instagram, and YouTube. This is the video. Yep, that's it. Nice, very nice. Okay, the signature now. Oh, by the way, if you don't do, so if I do this, then it will be able to find all of these things, hopefully. Anyway, that is an IDE issue. It figures everything out by itself. You just have to give it some time. This needs prop types validation, so let me add that. I need an example. Image experience could be a nice one. Right, all of those things are strings, except this signature. So the signature image. Okay, let's see. Is it running? No, it's not running. All right. Now it should be fine. Cool. That's okay. Right, okay. These things are taken from there. You can close this file. There's another place that we use the footer, and it's this page, and it's broken because we have missing prop type validations. Those things need to be added. Let's add them. I need the JSON file again to take a look at all of the things that we passed. It's easier to see from there. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so from here we're gonna have title, which is a prop types string dot is all of them are required, right? Duplicate, copy all, and I can do regular expressions now. All right, let's see. Yeah, so escape sequence, regular expression, A to Z, match as many as possible, and then match another one of these, select all of them, copy all of them, and paste them all in here. Done. And let's import this. Oh, content is a shape. Prop types.shape. So how do you define shapes again? Where have I done this before? It's not the image experience. It might be the project card because that's one of the recent ones that I worked on. No skill? No, not really. Okay. Maybe the blog? No. Yeah, there. Okay, prop types.shape. You open and close this, and then you put everything in here, inside there, and then you go dot is required. Oh wait, no. Why is this complaining again? Content hero title. Oh, that's why. Let's try opening this file again and see if the errors go away. No, surprisingly no. What if we delete this and delete that? It still does the same thing. It is not missing validation. It's literally there. Okay, these are not complaining. Oh, it's because... Oh, is it because I haven't got the right things in the JSON file? So title link, text link, Twitter link, Facebook link, LinkedIn, GitHub, Instagram. Oh yeah, that's why. Okay. Email link and date. The comma there, the comma there. Okay, there are no images. Okay. So you could do this. Would that work? No. Let's see if this runs. Yeah, let me check the console. So that's how you check for images. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Actually, it's sending a string. It's actually, yeah, it's sending a string of the link of the image. So this should be fine. um, and we can also fix the error in here, UnstyledLink. So this is not a string. This is an array. Interesting, why? Okay, array is forbidden. Do we have something similar to an array? Oh, array of prop types dot string. Does that still complain? Okay, of object. I guess that's fine. I might just blur that part out on YouTube, but honestly, I don't mind. It can just stay there. Okay, so that's this user story. Git commit. Move hard-coded footer strings to external JSON file. Push. We have also broken the blog post component. Well, the server has to run for you to see though, right? We've broken it because, you'll see, because we moved a lot of stuff. Yeah. So we've avoided one type of code duplication. Now we have to do another. But this is a better type of duplication than the other one. So now the blog post page has no knowledge of the footer content. So what you need to do is supply the signature SVG file So in here you have to do content is footer and signature image equals signature, and this should fix the issue in here, right? It does. All right, cool. So that's done as well. What's next? Remove blog navigation bar module.sass. You don't need it anymore because you've merged the two components. So yeah, so this thing we don't need it anymore because we don't have a module called blog navigation bar anymore. So we can just delete it. It will be fine. That's done as well. Okay, the last user story is actually not really a tech debt. We're gonna change the colors on our website just a tiny bit. Git status. Let's see. Git commit. Oh. The assets folder contains the favicon SVG. Remove unnecessary SAS blog navigation bar module. Cool. Now I have taken some notes in here. One sec. Right, I have my notebook in here, and in one of the pages in my notebook, I have noted down some brighter colors of, yeah, there. So I was experimenting with stuff. I was playing with the color wheel in Google Chrome. I thought these colors looked better on the website. So let's start the server again. While that starts, what happened? Okay, it works. We're going to modify home module SAS. We're going to change these colors. So via developer area, the background is going to be C3 EBFF projects B2 FFF5. Okay. Skills 8 ED 9 FF. Ongoing projects FFE. For BAB. Yeah, so these are the new colors of the website. They are brighter compared to the old ones. This one is maybe a bit too bright actually. Let me play with it again. Yeah, it's a bit too bright. Right. And this is too light. So the background color, I don't want this to be responsive anymore. Yeah, I want it to be responsive, but yeah, like I want it to look like this. Should be a bit darker maybe. Okay, that's better. And I want this one to be just a little bit lighter as well, like this. Yeah, that's better. Okay. So these are the new colors. Well, change is good. Well, I'm not sure if these colors look better, but at least it's brighter. And it looks like prettier, hopefully. It might just look better on a mobile device as well. Brighter colors seem to be the new cool stuff nowadays. So I also want to change the navigation bar color. Where's the nav bar? There. Where's the blue that's used in the nav bar? The brand color? No, I don't care about that. Where's the? Yeah, it's this one, right? So inspect the nav bar. We can play around with this just a bit more. So how was it before? Refresh. Right. Yeah, I like that one. So let's copy these values, paste them in, refresh. Okay, changes better. Let's push these changes. Yep, those are the files that I've changed. Let me see if the blog section is still intact. Oh, the server's not running. I do this every single time. Yep, it's still intact. Everything looks fine. The brighter colors reflect to here as well. Well, this one is not really visible, right? Let's change the color of that one as well. Text muted. Where is this coming from? Is this Bootstrap? Yeah. So is text muted something that I determine? No, it's coming from Bootstrap. So let's go to footer.module, footer module, here, and under here we have a span somewhere here. Yeah, there. And the class name is text muted. If I remove this, it's just going to be black, right? Ew, that's terrible. That's blue. No, I don't want it to be blue. Bootstrap text colors. Let's go with text secondary. How does that look? Is that any different from the other one? I don't think so. 6C757D. Refresh. No, it's absolutely the same thing. Not the background. Well, I think I have to specify my own color now. But to do that, I need to go to footer module.sass, footer module.sass, where are you here? Well, in somewhere in here, I could do this link color, and under here I can have color, and I'll go with like a dark blue. Well, I'll just pick this one. No, I'll just pick that one and modify it. That's easier. Let's just make it darker. Yeah, like that one. And then we can modify it on Google Chrome. Let's go to footer.module.sass. No, not the Sass, the component. And in here, I'm going to import it. What did I call it? Link color. So it didn't apply. Because I used it in the wrong way. So, okay, class names coming from SAS going curly brackets. Oh, that's a bit too dark. Okay, I like that one. Okay, after this, let's test everything in the release, and then I can probably end the stream in here. These are all the tasks that I wanted to do today. There is some more, but I'm not going to do them. Like, they're not for today anyway. It's 10, and yeah, we've done quite a lot today, so it's fine. All right, the colors are popping. I'm not sure if it's better. It's just a change, and I'm going to change it later again anyway. So change is always good. Not all, well, most of the time it's good. So let's stick with these colors for now. Let me see how it looks on my phone. If I like it, I'll keep it. If not, then we'll change them again and again and again until we manage to find something that actually looks better. I'm going to open that on my phone now. All right, doesn't look bad. Yeah, it's nice and colorful. Also, the mobile site, let me show you the header color changes. So inspect this, shrink it down. So if, whoa, the hamburger menu is gone. Is it gone on my phone as well? No, it's just because the server is not running it, right? It has to be. Yeah, okay. So when you scroll, the header changes color now because I forgot to change the other one. But I think I like this effect because it blends with the background, and as soon as you start scrolling, the color gets vivid. I'm gonna let it. This is not a bug. This is a feature now. I like it. I'm gonna let it stay this way. Does it happen on the blog post as well? Oh yeah, it does. So when you scroll down, okay. Yeah, and also I want to show you something else that I'm working on. I'm working on a blog post in about QNotes. I haven't finished it yet, but this is a good time to test how everything looks in mobile as well. So let's go under QNotes. So this is a super long blog post. Hey, the color change doesn't happen in here. It just happens in, all right, user story. Issue. It is a 2, but maybe I can take a look at it now. Does it happen in here? It stopped happening. Oh, it's because we're in a different branch, and this branch doesn't contain the changes. Okay, I'm getting sleepy. This is a very good time to stop. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. I might do a stream tomorrow. I may skip the stream tomorrow. Who knows? But my YouTube video will be going up tomorrow. So I think I have videos until Friday morning, and for Saturday I'm probably going to do a stream sometime in the following days anyway. So everything is on track. All right, goodbye. Have a good night.